Okay, I'm gonna go e3. Wait, with c5 pre-move. Okay, I think there's some e4 move that's supposed to be playable. I don't think it's here though. I think I take the pawn. I actually don't know if this is right. I'm gonna go a3 with the idea of b4 to create the connect 3. And now I'm also hitting the knight on f6. So I don't know if this is good or not, but it's something to do. Let's go b4. I don't know if this is right, but I think it's acceptable. Goes there. Okay, I'll play knight f3. I gotta develop here if I can on the king side. Gotta develop fast. Let's go here. Let's castle. I don't want to take, but maybe I should. I don't know. It's hard to judge. Okay, he goes d4. So now I'll take. Go knight e4. Hit the bishop. I'm up a pawn, but I'm a little bit behind in development, so I need to get my king out right away. Hikaru, you used to wear glass. What is your power? Has it reduced? No, I probably should wear glass. I just don't want to look like a nerd. So, simple answer. I mean, I probably should wear glasses, but it is what it is. Okay, it goes there. Now, I'm up this pawn here, but I'm still not quite developing. He's got a lot of pressure on the center of the board. Don't like that. I don't like that. I think I'm going to go here and try to defend this. I have problems in the center of the board, no doubt, though. There are real problems here. Yeah, I'm going to go here to stop f5 and e4. I'm still covering the squares. Very, very dangerous, though, because I'm still not castle. I still have not completed my development. Literally, top 5 is afraid of being labeled a nerd. Yeah, LASIK too dangerous. No thanks. I've thought about LASIK, but I mean, I know it sounds really dumb, but like, I mean, the thing is, if something goes wrong, you could go blind. I mean, that is the reality of LASIK. Like, I mean, I know that it's like 0.001% chance, but it could happen. Like, if the person doing the LASIK gets distracted, like, I mean, you go blind. And I know people who've had complications where they've had issues for a while. So he goes bishop f6. I think I'm going to play e4 so that now he no longer can use the central part of the board. So now the center is really clogged. He's got these pawns, but it's clogged. And now I'm simply up a pawn here on the queen side, although it's not easy to prove the advantage. I think I'll go queen e2 to guard this chain of pawns. I don't want to push because then I weaken this one. Like, if I go here and then he moves the knight, this one becomes very weak. Right now, it's currently guarding. I'm going to go c3, try to chip away here. Takes. Now I don't have double pawns, but after knight d4, I can just trade, move the queen back. And now I keep my pawn chain intact. I can even push my pawns to the center of the board, and he really can't open up the scope for the two Bs. I'll just take. I'm going to go... I don't love d5 here. Actually, it's funny. My opponent's position is not that bad. It's probably quite decent. In a classical game, I'm not sure I would win this against, like, Nepo or Magnus. Okay, I think I should go b5 to protect the pawn with the bishop. Let's go here, guard the pawn. Now, what I need to do is I need to really start using these central pawns, creating space for my pieces. Like here on bishop c4, maybe. To go for a diagonal. Maybe b6, b7 at some point, too. So what do you guys want me to do? I'm going to go bishop c4. Do you want me to play out the last 30-ish minutes, or do you want me to cover the Fabiano podcast? I'll leave it up to you guys to tell me what you want. I'm going to go h3 here just to create lift for the king. Just go back and guard the knight. Okay, take here, obfuscate bishops. Fabiano. Oh, okay, everyone's saying Fabiano. So let's go here on queen e4. Go here, threaten the mate. Yeah, actually, everyone's saying Fabiano. So, okay. All right, we'll do that. I'm going to play rook c1, maybe activate the rook to c6, maybe go f5 here. I think actually what I want to do is... How do I activate? Maybe f5 is just good enough to open up this diagonal, because there are multiple diagonals. Now I'll go e6, and huge threats. I also have rook c8 looming as well. This should just be winning, because I can take... I can check and then push P, and he can't stop the P from queening, so pawn covers the square.